Where?
Yeah.
Look.
Nice tattoos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go, Buskalan.
Gusto na?
Apong Wangad.
Wangod.
No.
Bro, Jared, this is from Apo Wangod. Yeah.
Oh, ganito pala yung ano.
Wangod. Yeah, they went there. Is it painful?
Yeah, this is my first tattoo, so I don't know how the other tattoos.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how the needle feel, but how they did that shit hurt.
Oh shit, look at that, bro. Look at that. Papakitaan tayo ni Champ Jeremy. Look at that, bro. He's an expert. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Show us more. Show us some more.
Tama sa 8.
Nako, awit, maganda ka na. Boss Rendon, no? Umuubos ng bola, Boss Rendon.
Ay, ito na wala.
Okay.
Walang prepare. Stress kasi pag ano.
Hey,
that was a hard
damn.
shot.
Yeah.
That was a hard
Boss Rendon, no? Boss Rendon. Line up na natin to. Umuubos, man. Damn! Sheesh!
Play with Pac.
Woohoo!
You play with Pac out yet?
No.
Sir Man is so good, bro.
Only practice here.
Yeah.
Oh, you practicing for Pacquiao? Okay.
Yeah.
Si Manis.
Oh! Okay, alright. No worries.
Depends muna. Pag di kaya, depends
Depends.
muna. Ganun yan eh. Pag di kaya, depends sa una.
Okay.
It's bad shot. Last people.